Langsago haina hai ta khokte ibu khusuna trini video chung nalaibana kaisa job notification kaham ko kaisa government of Tripura phaichung tei notification lamokha abongkha kaisa notification job recruitment khaijaknai rotongo 27 তারিখ 6 2025 ni phaichung tei notification lamokmani dedo ke abone tama post tong tama qualification nangnai abhairok naligrana abo piani phaichung tei abo power department ni phaichung tei naharjakha abongkha Tripura Cricket Association ni phaichung tei notification lamokha or jaga recruit khaijaknai oro notice of employment ni full details rijagi abo short notice abongkhana short notice je newspaper rojakmani o notice কয়েকটা রোজাক tongo tongnai ID application are invited for the following vacant post under Tripura Cricket Association on contract basis khaiwi naharjaknai cricket association ni phaichungtei first wo tongo post name pitch curator ni bagai one vacancy mane ekta post tengpiu haine hai lower division assistant LDA lower division assistant ni bagai haine khoroksa ba ekjon accountant te khoroksa accountant na harjaknai the post kinira busiman khana o jagao tinta post ni bagai vacancy lamokha first tongo pitch curator lower division assistant tei accountant ke nirok je post na hamjagoi tongkha nirok apply khainani bagai online nisimi apply khaimannai oboni bagai last date of submission of application ni last date rojakha 7 July 2025 mane buskang mas ni 7 tarik July jora rok apply khaimanai all the details are available in the official website abo online dengkha na direct office o submit bakhainai abo full details nirok saimannai o website o thangai website angkha tcalive.com o website o thangai nirok full details kahamke sawi mannai nirok naidi o website o thangai nirok details kahamke naibi sai mannai ke ang jora tongkhe norokno full details o website o thangai phunukgano nirok jodi se nai mankha nirok website o habwinai naidi abongkha 7 tarik ni jora application yachakjaknai hingke nirok chajakhankhe daiti khai submit khaidi nirokni application post nirok chajak pitch curator lower division assistant accountant o tinta post ni bisingo nirok jekono kaisa jekono chajakhankhe apply khaimannai abongkha government of Tripura ni phaichung tei ongmano phiaba contractual basis khai naharjaknai ketinani video o asakna koima nirok somoi mankhankhe tcalive.com o website o thangai check out khaidi details saimannai tinani video asaknai video no chajakhankhe like khaidi share khaidi tei ani channel na subscribe khai subscribe khaini jotono hambai।